this video, I will tell you all about our two distinct product families and show you why professionals choose Philips panels for their important jobs. To start, panels provide a bright, evenly distributed illumination, as well as great energy savings and reduced maintenance compared to traditional ceiling light fittings. They're a great fit for offices, healthcare, education and retail. Philips Ledinaire is presented in square size, 35mm thickness. Philips core line is square, rectangular and also 35mm thick, with a plain frame and a robust back housing. Both Philips panels offer great savings compared to conventional lighting. Core line does up to 65% compared to conventional lighting, with an efficacy of 125 lumen per watt, while Philips Ledinaire up to 60% with an efficacy of 100 lumen per watt. Philips core line has a lifetime of 100,000 hours and Philips Ledinaire has a lifetime of 50,000 hours. In terms of the color temperature, Philips Ledinaire is presented in 4000 Kelvin. Philips core line offers 3000 and 4000 Kelvin. Both families achieve 3400 lumen. It's important to highlight that Philips core line presents multi-lumen versions to choose between 3400 and 4300 lumen in just one single luminaire. Dimmable versions are available for Philips core line. The diffuse light of the panels in both families, thanks to the microprism plate structure, contributes to a uniformity for a good quality of light. They are also flicker-free for a better visual comfort and well-being. Office-compliant versions are available to keep glare below 19. Installation of both panels is really easy with the quick connectors they present. And if we talk about smart lighting, it's also possible to get into it with Philips core line panel. Its Interact-ready versions will allow you to jump into our smart lighting platform Interact Pro. It's important to mention that Philips core line panel has the ENAC mark as well. Do not forget to add the accessories you need that both families present for plaster mounting, surface mounting or suspended installation. If you want to learn more about which of our Philips panels is the best fit for you, check out Panels under Products in the Signify LoomExpert app.